Channel like the latest game available now, complete the easy mode, earn the grand, and this game you will be completed now 100 levels beginner to 200 level beginner mode without skipping any level. So this is the everything to be easy, just watching this video and I will teach you how to be completed this game. So please be careful watching this video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. So just click on play. To be everything like the easy now. Everything to be easy now. Please be carefully watching this video and don't skip this video. Just I will teach you how to be completed this game, this first level now. So you will again click on this using these parts, okay? So be everything to me, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't skip this video and I will teach you how to be more completed to be easily level this game. So much ads coming here in so you will be again choosing this color. Let's start now. You will be using this color. So you will see to be I'm so easily completed this game now and I came to be like starting 5th level to be so easily now. So you will see to I'm so just only I will tell you like how to be completed this game now and just using to be like so I'm again using now this next level again to starting now. Please be careful watching this video and don't skip this video. I will teach you this is the magical tricks how to be completed this game now. Everything to be easy now, okay? Just set up say now. So I hope you understand how to be completed this game. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this video, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you so much, and this is my last levels. So you will see I'm to be easily completed this level now on one streak. So okay, so thank you for watching this video, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much.